Over the past years, most companies tested AI in small, safe ways, right? Chatbots answered simple questions. Text tools helped write emails or ads. Everything still waited for a human to give instruction. That phase ended. In 2025, marketing started to shift towards systems that do not wait to be told what to do. They watch what is happening, decide what matters, and act on their own. That is what people now call agentic marketing. The difference is simple but big. Old AI tools were helpers. They responded when you asked. Agentic systems are more likely like workers. They run in the background, watch data across channels, and take actions when something changes. They adjust campaigns, move budgets, trigger messages, and change targeting without somebody clicking buttons all day. This shift matters because modern marketing moves too fast for manual control. Customers jump between ads, websites, email, and social. Performance can change within hours. Waiting for reports and weekly meetings means you always react late. Agentic systems react in real time. The market is moving in this direction quickly. Many companies already use some form of AI agents, and a large share report positive returns within the first year. The number of customer interactions handled by AI agents is rising fast because these systems can now manage not just support chats, but also sales, follow-ups, ad testing, and lead nurturing. That's what makes these systems different from normal automation. Traditional automation follows fixed rules. If this happens, then do that. Those rules must be written by people and updated at all the time. Agentic systems work differently. They observe signals, think through options, choose actions, and learn from results. They usually work as groups of specialized agents. One focuses on ads, one on content, one on nurturing, and one on insights, for instance. They all read from the same data and share what they learn. If one agent finds that a message works well within a certain audience, the other adjusts too. Other time, the whole system gets better at choosing what to do next. Lead nurturing shows this as well. Instead of putting people into fixed email tracks, an agent watches behavior. Did someone visit pricing pages? Did they watch a demo? Did they stop opening mails? Based on those signals, the system changes the message, the timing, and even the channel. If interest rises, sales can be alerted. If interest drops, pressure can ease. The path is not fixed, it adapts as the person changes. This only works because of the technical setup behind it. Agentic systems usually sit on top of the existing tools. They connect to CRMs, ad platforms, email systems, and websites through APIs. They read events and write actions. That means companies do not need to replace their whole stack at once. They can add agents step by step. At the core of each agent is mostly a reasoning system that breaks goals into steps and chooses which tools to use. Over time, learning loops helps the agent see which actions lead to better results. The system does not just follow scripts, it updates its own playbook. All of this depends on data. If the data is wrong, slow, or split across systems, the agents will make bad choices. Duplicate contacts, missing fields, and broken tracking causes over messaging and poor targeting. Companies that see strong results usually invest first in clean, connected data and clear rules about how data is used. These are also real risks. One of the biggest is error spread. When several agents work together, a small mistake can travel through the system. If one agent misreads performance, another may shift budget, another may change messaging, and soon the whole setup acts on false signals. The output can look confident while being wrong. This is why good systems use safeguards. Critical data gets checked before actions happen. Agents work with structured data, not loose text. Some agents are built only to review and question others. Confidence level can trigger human review. Logs and audit trails let teams see what happened and why. For high-risk decisions, humans still approve changes. This leads to an important point. Agentic marketing does not remove people from the process. It changes their role. Instead of pushing buttons, marketers set goals, define limits, review outcomes, and step in when needed. Strategy, ethics, and brand voice still stay with humans. Agents handle speed at scale. Getting started does not require building a full AI workforce in one day. The smart path is gradual. First, make sure your data is usable and systems are connected. Then try one agent and one clear task, like ad bidding or lead scoring. Measure results. Learn where it helped and where it struggles. Then add more and more agents and allow them to share data. Over time, systems can move towards full funnel coverage, where agents manage campaigns from first touch to follow-up, while people focus on planning, offers, and creative direction. That is when marketing starts to run at machine speed without losing human control where it matters. This shift also changes how brands compete. When agents optimize every step of the journey, small teams can run programs that once needed large departments. Speed becomes a bigger advantage than size, but only for companies that prepare their data and governance early. The bigger picture is simple. AI in marketing is moving from tools to teams, from helpers to workers, from waiting for commands to acting on signals. This is not something coming in a few years. It's already happening. Companies that invest now in data quality, system connections, and safe agent design will learn faster and improve faster. Companies that wait may still use AI, but mostly as basic tools, while others run full marketing operations with autonomous systems working all day and night. The future of marketing is not just smarter software. It is coordinated systems that act, learn, and improve on their own, with human guiding the direction. This is what agentic marketing really means. And that is why it matters now, not later.